Hi, I am Sally from Sally Ann's Accessories, and I got in some accessories that I sell on my site, so I wanted to show them to you. So please hit the like button and hit subscribe so you can find out when I get more accessories and show them to you. And I also do giveaways. So I'm not planning a giveaway today, but I'm going to do one very soon. So the accessories on my site are hair accessories and jewelry and watches and cell phone accessories right now. It's just a boutique store. And I look for items that you cannot get locally in your big box stores or your grocery stores, your pharmacies, and I haven't seen stuff like this in the higher end stores either. Everything's gold or pearls, and it's just simple or a little bit ornate with the fake crystals or even the diamonds. But anyway, the first thing I want to show you, I thought these were adorable. I am a coffee drinker, and these are little coffee machines, and they look 3D. They're not. They're flat. They're just, I don't know, laser printed or something. I don't know. But I think they're adorable. And they've got this fishhook earring thing. They're very, very light. So if you have a favorite barista, or if you like coffee, or if you like just fun earrings, these are absolutely adorable, I think. And I also have this pin. I call this pin, oh, hello, because this kitten is just walking along and then he sees you and he's got this little smile on his face. I don't know if you can see that for sure. Now he's looking pretty shiny because the light is reflecting off him, but these are crystal rhinestones on a gold tone pin, and it's zinc alloy, and he is about an inch in width and about an inch in height. And I had a fundraiser for a cat rescue, which is still going on my site. I have a page. But anyway, I sold this, I don't know, 4 or 5 of these pins because he's just so cute. And I bought an extra one because I love him so much. And eventually he is going to be a giveaway. And then I bought this barrette. So this barrette is kind of small, so you can clip it on the side of your hair. Or if you put your hair in a ponytail, you just put this little clip over your hair, or just stick it in your hair. I mean, it's just one of these things. There we go. And then these beads hang down your hair. And I just thought this was just so nice. This is the gold, and these little beads are just plastic. But here's a cross, and here's a little, just a rhinestone, like a solitaire rhinestone. And I just thought these were so pretty. And then the stars. And it's just an added touch to your hair that's just not a plain barrette. Years ago, long time ago, I was in a mall and a kiosk had hair sticks, and I'd never seen them before, and they were very ornamental. And I'd seen them before. Asian women wear them with a big pearl drop. They look like a big hat pin, and they put them in their buns. Well, I was young, and those were too outrageously priced for me at the time, and I never bought one, but I always remembered them because they were just so pretty. And then I found hair sticks, and I put them on my website. So these are simple, these are not ornate, but I love just a little bit of sparkle. And these flowers are plastic, total transparency here. And then there's rhinestones and the beads that hang down. So you can put your hair in a French twist or a bun, and then you just stick this in your hair, and then you have the little ornaments that just hang out. Or you have a bun, and you can put 2 of them in so they cross in your bun, and then these ornaments just hang. One of these days, I don't do my hair that well. This is not a hair and makeup video. One of these days, I'm going to have someone come over and do my hair in casual styles and take pictures of all these accessories so you can see what they look like in hair. I also bought this Peacock one. I haven't taken this one out of the package yet. This is a Peacock hair stick, and I thought that this Peacock was really cute. And there's a few colors in there. There's a red and an aqua. And is that green or yellow? I think that's just the way the light's hitting the aqua. So I started my website because I wanted things for my hair that were out of the ordinary. And I mean, these aren't extravagant. These are just casual. But I've never seen anything like this where I shop. They're always just, I don't know if I'm repeating myself. I just went live on my Facebook page, so I apologize. But they're always gold and pearls, or even this brown clip, brown and black plastic. And nothing very ornate. Now, I wear this a lot because it's big enough to hold my hair up. And this is a smaller barrette, but it does hold all my hair. I can put it up in, I can clip all of my hair in this without a problem. And I have kind of thick hair. So when you're looking at this right now, you can see the light reflecting. So these are just, again, plastic crystals. So when you get this and see it in person, it's going to be a little bit darker than what it looks like on my computer screen because the light is reflecting off it. But when you go outside or in your house, this is what other people are going to see if you're by the lights or in the sunshine. I also bought this in a blue. This looks aqua in the light. The light lightens it up a little bit. This is a little bit darker than what it looks like. And I thought that was really pretty. And I also bought a champagne. This comes in a lot of different colors, so I chose these three. You can find these on my website, sallyansaccessories.com. And the last thing I have to show you today is this necklace. I thought this necklace was cute. I forget my age. And I like to wear things that are fun. And this comes in 4 different color schemes, so I'm very happy with this color that I chose for myself. I love the cat with the umbrella, the other cat with the basket, and look at the paws. They're hanging down. They're on little links, on little chain links there. And then what's that? Is that a mushroom in the clouds? So I just thought this would look really cute with a white t-shirt and a denim vest, but you can wear it with whatever you want to wear it with. All right. Thank you for sticking with me. Keep watching, like and subscribe because I'm going to do some giveaways again. I just gave away this ring. I had it in my last video and I put it online and somebody won this ring. So I'm waiting to hear back from them. This is just a crystal ring and there's teeny tiny cubic zirconia on either side just to give it some sparkle. You can see they're reflecting the light. This comes in 6 colors. So I told her to go on the website and pick a color and let me know her size and I'll send it to her. So I am going to have giveaways from time to time. So please visit my website, like and subscribe the videos, and keep up with me. And you know what? If there's something that you want, message me. If you've been looking for something and you haven't been able to find it, leave a note in the comments or message me through YouTube or go to my Facebook page. And my Facebook page is Sally Ann's Accessories. I don't think I have a chat up on my website yet. I'm going to do that. But contact me in any way you can and let me know what you're looking for and I will try to find it for you. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. I appreciate you. Have a great day.